Tracking some rain and what's going to happen in the next few hours is kind of exciting in the weather department too.
Yeah, I think I'll be up kind of late tonight. We are watching that wind starting to pick up gradually, but really the peak wind gusts are expected probably when most of you will be asleep, closer to about 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. Right now, though, you can see the winds going seaside. A temperature of 50 degrees. We're occasionally getting wind gusts upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. There's going to be a lot going on tomorrow. Tomorrow is also Friday the 13th, but hey, that doesn't matter. You could consider it your lucky day. Maybe you just stay inside. There's your water vapor imagery mixed in with our radar. You can see clearly where the moisture is piling into western Washington. And right behind here, there's the outline of your front. This will be coming through pretty quickly. So the worst of the winds we're expecting in those early morning hours won't stick around all that long. It'll still be windy, but again, the peak wind gusts, the duration will be relatively short. Still a possibility of seeing some damage out there. I want to show you what we have going on there. Kalama, you can see the lens. Oh, it's all wet out there. It's 45 degrees right now up and down the valley. Let's talk about that wind gust forecast. So we get into about 5 o'clock tomorrow. Look at some of these peak wind speeds. Again, this could change. This is just one model depiction, but just to give you an idea of timing. Here you go, right along the coast, anywhere from 50 to 60 miles per hour. Now you go towards Salem and Eugene, possibly some stronger winds, anywhere from 50 to 60 possible. Again, only briefly though. Portland, we're looking at wind speeds that could range anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. Of course, when it is happening, that will be a pretty exciting time and also a dangerous time to be out on the roadways, especially any of those weak trees, any patio furniture, any empty garbage cans that you have out. Bring them inside because that will be a pretty windy period for us. We get to 8 o'clock in the morning and there you go. So yeah, it's still windy, about 30 to 35 miles per hour, but not nearly as strong as what we're expecting in those early morning hours before the sun rises. Here you go, early Saturday morning, 20 to 25 miles per hour. A big long list of advisories, watches, and warnings for you. You can find them all on coin.com/weather. There's your winter storm warning in effect until tomorrow night. Feet of snow, gusty winds in the mountains, peak wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and a high wind warning for the coast, central coast, all the way up through Astoria as well. That'll be in effect until about 6 o'clock in the morning. So again, that front passing through early in the morning, right around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, the worst of it. And then we'll see a change in wind direction, initially coming from the south, keeping our temperatures up. But as soon as we get that wind direction to shift, as we get to tomorrow night coming from the northwest, that's when we watch those snow levels drop down. So some dangerous winter driving ahead for you Friday night into Saturday. Saturday still all about the wet weather. More of that snow stretched across the state. So central Oregon, eastern Oregon, snow levels down to about 3,000 feet roughly. We start tapping into an atmospheric river starting on Monday, and warmer temperatures along with that. So it'll be raining on top of the snow that we're expecting over the course of that 3-day period, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Look at your temperatures here. So tomorrow, right around the low 50s for your daytime highs, still upper 40s Saturday. But gosh, look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we jump into the mid to upper 50s, warming up a bit. More rain here for really the next 7 days.
All right, Natasha, thank you. And still ahead.